Hello student, following question is from test series 3, subject signals and system, chapter linear time invariant system. The question is asked for 2 marks. Question is the following equations describe the discrete time system. Which of the following statement is not correct? So over here u of k is nothing but the input and y of k is nothing but the output. So first one is y of k plus 2 plus k times y of k plus 1 plus y of k is equal to u of k. And this system is said to be linear time varying system. See, always remember linear means the degree of the equation is 1. Linear, I will write here, linear means degree equal to 1. Fine. So yes, first one is linear. And always remember the shortcut for finding time varying system is, if the time variable, independent variable, is present somewhere outside the equation, we can simply write the system is time varying. So yes, this system is time varying as well as it is linear, right? Since both of this is true, so option A is incorrect. Moving to option B, we are having y of k plus 2 plus k times y square. Yes, since there is a term of y square, this becomes non-linear system. Now again, since we are having the term k outside this system becomes time varying. So again option B is true. So option B is, we are not supposed to select option B. Now moving to option C, that is y of k plus 2 plus 3 y of k plus 1 plus twice y of k is equal to u of k, which is linear and time varying system. See, this system is linear since the degree is 1. However, it is time invariant since there is only delay terms present. Purely delay represents linear time invariant system. So option C is incorrect. That is fine. Our option D is the correct option for selection. Now let us check whether last one is true or false. Now moving to option C, it is y of k plus 2 plus y square k plus 1 plus y of k is equal to u of k. Now since it is y of k square, it would be non-linear. Yes, it is non-linear. And since there is purely delay, it would be time invariant system. Hence, this is also true. So option D is also not correct. We are supposed to select the option which is not correct. So option C is incorrect. That is actually correct for this one. So final answer is option C. Thank you.